uzoba inkosi kanjani like uzobaphatha or uzoba inkosi ngegama ufuna iland yes but uzobeka imithetho e-Eastern Cape or what
Eastern Cape as a whole or a certain part of Eastern
I think it's London.
I think Eastern Cape yonke because khumbula
naye uthi crown is Eastern Cape not East
basuka la baza la South Africa bajump bonke la country la
just imagine
asina inkinga nama Nigeria asinenkinga nabantu abaza abangazama nama
yes they don't have the documents bro Hey yo, what it do? What is
What it do?
Yo, my friends, yeah, welcome to another segment, another episode of ESOP.
yeah.
You know the drill, my friends. We came back with another hot shandies. It's that time once again. I go by the name of Bayede. I'm not alone. I'd like my guests to introduce themselves. Yeah.
Hi guys.
Oh, but then it's fine.
Yeah. Hi guys. Unakole lona.
and Nosib aka China. Oh, introduce nathi nje.
Mina bayangazi ngunathi bafethu. Ngicabos. Yeah, the one and only. Yeah. So,
yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, today it's crazy, man. There's a lot I would like us to unpack.
Before we unpack, my brother, you can't forget this.
Okay.
Yeah. Your car. Just if you want too for much, just get it. Yeah. Get it.
Oh, someone is calling me.
It's fine.
Let's say this, right?
So we believe
Please.
Yeah. VSOP, we're not so big is off.
Totally.
Yeah, let's get inside.
Let's say Kalela ngithi kaso. Siyahola. Hey. It's crazy. Yeah, no topic is off topic, ne? There's a lot of bengathanda ukuthi siyanpack. Nesilungu mina ngingilungu isilungu la. Isilungu.
Any language.
Zulu.
Any language you're comfortable with.
Yes. There's a lot that's happening currently. I'm sure you are all aware of it. There's a lot that's happening. There's this thing, movement, right? I think it started at Joburg, if I'm not mistaken. Well, it started at Eastern Cape. I went to Zweden by Eastern Cape. In Nigeria.
Yeah.
You understand? So,
for someone who's not following, I'm sure, like okay, because now I'm sure. I understand it's against Alan, but it's not full. I don't understand what causes everything. Good even the way in a corner, man. So yeah. My context
yeah, I say Eastern Cape. i-context yakhona ayijulanga ngaleyo ndlela because nabantu abakhuluma izinto angithi ama-source ahlukile, right? But into engibambile mina ukuthi there's a Nigerian, angazi if i-chief or yini, right? Wafika kala Eastern Cape, ne? Nafike Eastern Cape, angithi yazi Eastern Cape bathanda utshwala, yabo. So I said, I'll give you booze, ne? You must give me land, right? So wabasupplya ngotshwala, bathi hayi akhona noma ungafika. Noma ungafika ubuza apha yabo, as long as sisela thina yabo.
Ngicabanga ngomunye umuntu bokhuluma kanje.
Yabo. So ufike wabanikeza ibooze and then bathi hayi thatha umhlaba uhlala wena wawuthi wena yabo. And then I think ifike kanjalo ke.
And then he crowned himself as a king.
King yakho
Is Eastern Cape.
East London.
Eastern Cape.
East London.
Eastern
Not
Cape
Eastern
yonke
Cape
nje.
yonke, because bekase East London.
Akunanzaba.
Or Eastern Cape yonke.
Eastern Cape
njalo.
East London.
Yena usho njalo.
But bekase East London.
Yeah.
he crowned himself
As a
as a
king.
king. Last one upon a king.
No.
Asawazi.
No. Angicabangi
Futhi
njalo.
futhi ubone advantage yabo. Because uyazi ukuthi thina ngithi izinye izinto asinakile. So he was like, I can settle here.
And who's the king there in South Africa?
Hey,
Ukhona.
ubani?
The
King
king.
yamaZulu.
Ngisho eSouth Africa.
But because it's South
South
Africa.
Africa.
Ayiphethe South Africa manje.
Ubani?
Ikhona mara
President.
no akusi president.
Hayi akuna king.
Ikhona leyo angifuni sikhulume ngayo kakhulu asikakafiki isikhathi.
Okay.
Ikhona iking yala eSouth Africa.
But then all
Hayi,
the
Ngiyathiwa ngokuphela.
king lawalandela umthetho we-president.
No. Nigel, i-president wethu ayingasikhulume kakhulu nge-president. Umthetho i-president ayinawo umthetho. Because na i-president ibekela umthetho.
Ubekela ubani?
Ibekelwa ngibeka kanjani? Ithi ngikwenzela umzekelo. Uyabona si company ne-company khona ama-director, khona ama-shareholder, khona in ne yibo abadecide ukuthi sikwenza.
Akusuye.
So you don't come nomthetho wena.
Avuke nje thina.
Do you understand?
Ufuna ukuthi yenzakala sona so yeah.
Exactly. So na i-president ayihambi kanjalo yabo. So na kushuthi khona la athobela khona. Right, because ubekiwe as i-president akayibeka.
No, akathobeki. Nawe ibeka wrong. Yazi lento injani ngawo? It's like i-board. Bahlala phansi ba-discuss. Bayavumelana bonke as a board. Hayi ukuthi manje nakumele alalele omunye umuntu.
No, like he has to. Akana choice, bra. Sometimes unokwenza ama-decision angafuni ukwenza.
Do you
Like
think
if for example,
phezu kwakhe amlalelana?
no, like he
Bandu.
is.
Abantu ya ibeke kanjani?
Government.
I-government, yeah.
You understand? Yibo abadecide ukuthi kuzoba ne-lockdown. Decide i-president.
President. Mara na say.
That is why ngikwenza nomzekelo. That is why makune like mhlambe kune in le PSA yazi PSA ne
PSA.
public service announcement, right?
Yeah.
Like he's announce
Yeah.
yeah.
I lost man.
Yeah,
Like he's announce the president ukuthi since kune virus kanje kuzoba ne lockdown ne leyo nto leyo bayahlala phansi bakhulume naye bambonise bathi okay sicela ukhulume kanje ne hayi ukuthi amazwi wakhe yena ufana like injalo man lento lena man. We have said, I feel like South Africa, well, amanye ama-country now, mangicabanga, yibo abacontrolwa i-board, like i-government, ukuthi sifuna wenze into kanje. That is why most of the time, i-government izokhipha imali, ne? or kuthiwa nayi khipha i-budget speech for this year, right? Bese mayefika kwamanye ama-location bathi awusenzelanga u-1 no-2 athi kanjani ne mose imali sikuzwile ukhuluma ngayo lapha asiyiboni thina ukuthi ipheleleni. It's because exactly akayazi naye ngoba akusuye kuphela o do you understand?
Ngiyathola because nalento angisho manje mina ngicabanga ngidlela amathenda. Yabo.
Yeah, yabona indawo yamathenda.
Yeah, ngicabanga kanjalo sure.
You understand? So into kanjalo. So ke into eyenzekile lapha yana ufikile lo mshitha wathi uzosetlile lawo abathengele utshwala abadakwa abantu. Sometimes mawudakiwe wenza izinto ongazazi.
Manje esayiniwe phansi.
Akusayinwa
Verbal
it's a verbal agreement. Hey, they were like, listen, I can take this land. Ngithola hlala lapha iba inkosi, which is weird.
So manje uyinkosi ngoba banikeza utshwala. Seka inkosi manje bavumelane ngalo ukuthi
as long as basela abantu
mafethu
But siwabonge nje.
labo
Namaxhosa phela.
bekathi uzoba inkosi kanjani, like uzobaphatha or uzoba inkosi ngegama.
Ayizobona nje.
ofunile uthengile
Ufuna iland, yes, but uzobeka imithetho e-Eastern Cape or what?
Eastern Cape as a whole or a certain part of Eastern
I think it's London.
I think Eastern Cape yonke because khumbula
Naye uthi Crown is king as Eastern Cape, not East London.
just Eastern Cape.
because khona inkosi yase Eastern Cape the whole of Eastern Cape.
Yes. I understand. So I think the outbreak ke le eyenzekile lapha ubhuti umalume ungizwe umuntu omdala lo mhlaba bamasha lapha yabo. So abantu abaningi they get it twisted, right? Bacabanga ukuthi lento ayenzayo naye umunye ubhuti lo angazi ubani igama lakhe. Umthakathi or umthakathi umthakathi
Phakela umthakathi,
uphakela uphakela
Hawu.
baba uphakela uzothi ubaba ngoba mdala kimi uphakela. Lento abayenzayo yinhle ne ngoba they trying to fix the country. Ngifuna uyizwa ne bayifixa kanjani i-country ne bafethu sinomthetho la. If usihlula ukulungisa izinto ezincane angeke kube khona i-control la eSouth Africa, right? Sizama ukubuilda i-country nathi as a city, angithi. So if kuzofika abantu la illegally, it's a problem because wena ngeke ufike kwamanye ama-country illegally.
True.
Do you understand? And bayakwazi ukwenza ama-crime, bacommit ama-crime, bayenzeni. It's because abanawo ama-documents noma bebashwa labantu laba ama-fingerprint azothathwa kuphi.
And the documented abaziwa.
Do you understand? Ama-ghost kahle kahle.
And Nigeria is in South Africa.
It's very far.
Bafike njani labantu laba country kangaka?
Hey, Nama, I don't know what's happening. But
I think in the law, but in the law, okay, nizoncorrective ngomani. But there's a law where if ever we are sugar from a certain country to another country, I don't know whether what do you call those people, immigrants or what? Yeah. So you can't jump all these countries. We are the country if you go to the neighboring country.
It's very far.
Basuka da baza le South Africa bajump bonke lama country la.
Just imagine.
Now asina inkinga nama Nigeria, asina inkinga nabantu abaza abangazama nama
Yes, they don't have the documents, bro.
Yeah,
it's a problem.
It's a problem.
That is why
And what documents, but I've never started permanent.
True.
Yeah.
Basically, yeah. Akumelanga bahlale permanent.
No, it depends.
Hayi bayithi.
No, it depends.
Kudependa towani.
You know what?
Bashadela
You know what? Ella, you must remember one thing. At some point, most of them are Nigerian. So, documented. When they come here, they come for more business opportunities, right? So they create jobs. So yeah, maybe it's about patient for the ocean is like as long as documented. It's a problem, that's one. And then you know, they are destroying our own country, right? Kanjani? Yiba benza ama-drugs futhi. Yiba baza nama-drugs la. Do you understand? Lawo ma-drugs bona bawabhemi lama-drugs, abawazi lama-drugs. Adliwa yithi ama-drugs.
Ake ukangibona eNigeria ama-drugs.
Oh, kuphi?
Ngeke ulibone.
Ngeke ulibone eNigeria. Lizokutshela ukuthi laba ababhema ama-drugs they are stupid.
But ngeke nje ukuthenga ama-drugs. It's not like bathengisa ngenkani.
It's not like basingisa ngenkani, but then balanda abantu abavulnerable, like abantu abangana.
Exactly.
Like uyabona ukuthi umuntu akasenathemba manje impilo.
lama drugs lawo uwathenge vele usoqalile wabheka.
No, they taking
basasemile babhekisa ama-drugs akekendeki
And abafani ngenkani ama-drugs.
No, let me tell you something. You cover what they do, ne? These people are smart, ne? They know what once what they marry one is child.
It's child. And then
You understand?
Yeah. Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Once what they marry one, that
It's
it's
child.
child. They know what will come back for more. I was a control it up. But initially they will convince you. What's my brother, life is too short. Huh? This will make you feel good. Now we are born, I'll feel good.
Yeah, but that's an advantage of it, like they know a lot of South Africans are unemployed.
Exactly.
So imagine they would make put bit now to fall into these things.
Yes.
It's either you are tenisa, it's either zobema for them angazi ukuthi like basuke bahlanganise ini.
Yes.
Nivumelana ngani into ezinjalo, but then they take an advantage of a lot of things like South Africa. Labantu laba phela they bayafunda kuqala before bezala, like they examine everything.
Yeah.
Bayabona ukuthi okay la South Africa kanje nakanje so zobaba nginte one. That is why the human trafficking.
Exactly.
So the human trafficking abhala eJozi because of these stories.
Yes. I understand.
So lento isiwa kanjani from Eastern Cape to eJozi?
Yeah.
Into engifuna ukuyisho, yeah, good question.
Yeah, imashi bathe mabeqeda kulungisa le ampahla le elapha Eastern Cape.
Bayilungisile secret.
Yeah.
Bayilungise kanjani?
Obviously bashilo wathi
Manje
Awungayiboni
mina yazi ngisase confused mapha ngitshela manje. Lo muntu lo wethu ukusikhawula izinkosi. Wenzeni? Like yini ayenzile nje ithusa abantu ngalendlela le.
No, phela into ethusa abantu yiyo le ukuthi uthi uyiNigeria ufika
khona kunemali
endaweni ekanje.
Manje bese ke threaten abantu la ukuthi nizolalelo umthetho wami.
No, I don't think ifike lapho, but iye alama abantu abaningi lapha eStern